Hello, and welcome to the third tutorial of the eKe translation management software. This tutorial shows how customers receive a quote from the managers and how they agree by confirming their order. First, let's log in as the user George Dweck by typing in the username and password you gave in the first tutorial. Click on the user guide quote to check the manager's reply. Choose the discussion field. You can see that there is a new line with the manager's name on it. Click on the little arrow on the left side of the line to view the message. This is the quote in the regular template form, but it could be any custom message as well. If you want, you can write a reply to the quote. For example, if you are unsatisfied with it, click the reply button and the word editor module appears. Type in your reply and edit it with the possibilities. If you want to continue it later, tick draft and the program will save it to you, but the other participants of the discussion will not see it. If you change your mind, tick delete, and the program will delete it when submitting. If you are ready, click submit. The program jumps back to the project details field and you can see that your message was saved. If you are satisfied with the quote, you can launch the project by confirming your order. Click the confirm order button. You can see that you haven't given any addresses, while a contract and a billing address is required. To give an address, click on the add new address button. The program jumps back to your personal data screen, where you can choose your title and you can choose the language of the program under the language preference line. After that, you can give whether you would like to register as an individual or as a representative of a company. If you represent a company, the program asks for the company's tax registration number and EU registration number. If you are an individual, you can add your ID number and birthday. You should fill in the necessary data, but you can add optional information about yourself as well, like several phone numbers, email addresses, bank accounts, instant messaging profiles, and websites. When ready, click the submit button. You can see that there is a choosable address at both the contract address and the billing address. If you would like to give different addresses for the two fields, click the add new address again, give the details of another address, and you will have the possibility to choose between the two. If you are ready, click the I accept offer button. The program jumps back to the details of your quote, and a red notice at the upper middle part of the screen confirms that your quote is valid and you will receive an answer for it shortly. The program automatically sends an email about this confirmation to the manager. Let's see this email. We jump to the manager's email account where you can see the letter. This reminds the manager that he can start to create the structure of the project. This will be the topic of our next tutorial. Thank you for your attention.